Why is it necessary to review the translation made by AI? Machine translation done by AI presents good quality today. So why is it necessary to review it? To answer this question, we must consider the context of the translation. To translate a small piece of unformatted text, such as a single paragraph or a page of a book, you can just use Google Translate or ChatGPT. The result will be pretty acceptable. However, the translation of a corporate document, such as a marketing brochure or a technical report, presents a complexity beyond the capabilities of the current MT engines. In this case, MTPE, machine translation post-edit, done by human professionals, is required. Here are some examples of issues that make human intervention necessary. The need to follow a detailed style guide, the use of informal language or a regional intonation, gender errors in languages such as Portuguese or Spanish when a sentence refers to a noun in a previous sentence, text with long sentences where successive units of meaning appear in a row, as often happens in pharma documents, because MT can lose the thread of meaning and misinterpret syntactic functions. Projects using translation memory, where the style and terminology of the leveraged text must follow those of the new translation. These were just a few examples. In addition to it, a human professional must improve literal translation and spot possible translation errors, which still occur. Finally, there is an ethical issue. When a translation service is sold, the company selling the service declares it will use its expertise to produce high-quality translation. The only way to fulfill this promise is to review the translation made by the machine. LatinLanguages was one of the first translation companies in Brazil to provide MTPE back in the 90s, when Xerox decided to use the Cistern MT machine. Since then, we have routinely done MTPE for companies such as RWS and HP, now DXC. More than 70% of our workload today is MTPE. With an optimized workflow and extremely experienced professionals, we avoid rework. This allows us to offer competitive prices. For your MTPE jobs targeting Portuguese or Spanish, we are your best option.